My name is Deo Mishra. I'm the first year master student in mechanical engineering, and my idea was Meditime AI is an intelligent decision tool for patient engagement in walking clinic and healthcare center. So if you have been ever visited to the walking clinic, you know the frustration that patient waiting for the long waiting time, and they have to limited same day access and overall no clarity that when you will be actually be seen. But this is the only one part of the story. First, you have on the other side, clinical administrator also deal with like unpredictable patient inflow and few diagnostic cases and doctor and clinician also rush overload limited triage capability, and doctor spend most of the time in assessing the report of the patient by manually, and the communication gap between the doctor and the clinician is so bad that the things which can be resolved within 20 to 30 minutes is take almost around 24 to 26 hours to get into the action. To overcome this challenge, we came with the idea of Meditime AI, where our solution is to optimize the patient cut with the waiting time, and we enable the smart scheduling option for same day access, and we integrate the digital tools for triage process. Our solution is not only theory yet, we also develop the technology. So in our technology, person first have to go to our dashboard and enter his registration details with his provincial health ID card and the reason for the visit, and we then provide the exact waiting time and the appointment available for the doctors, and then system engages with registration, triage process, treatment referral and billing in one digital workflow spaces. We developed the low fidelity model in order to prove that automation can improve the fragile and manual things happen in the walking clinics. This is our overview of the website. So our website currently available in the 3 languages, and if person want to sign in, he can sign in through Google and Facebook. And the 3 key features of our website was real-time booking, AI chat support, and EHR integration. And if somebody wants to book an appointment, he can go through the option and book now and write his details, email, and preferred time he wants to get the appointment, and then we send the information on his mobile phone, which replaces the patient receptionist workload in the walking clinic. So the benefits of using the Meditime AI for the clinical staff will be is it improve the efficiency and faster decision making and better engagement patient, cost saving, and the competitive advantage within other walking clinic in the Saskatchewan. Benefits for the patient will be earlier engagement with the clinic, faster triage decision, shorter wait time, and patient engagement with the staff, and a clinic which patient can trust. Our next step would be that we go and partnership with one of the walking clinic and put our solution on trial the basis for 3 to 4 months. If the result is according to our expectation, then we will move forward for talking to the Saskatchewan Health Authority and presenting our solution in front of them and put it on testing basis for 6 to 8 months in hospitals and the walking clinics too. If they see that it will improve the operational efficiency of walking clinic and the hospital, then we will charge as the subscription-based and yearly-based revenue model. Challenges which I face while understanding the hospital business model, because it's very complex, and identifying the right customer and early adopter and gaining the trust of the physician and the walking clinic for giving us the opportunity for the pilot testing and navigating through the compliance requirement. Our journey is that I take an enroll in the course GE 831 Advanced Engineering Entrepreneurship, in which I learned the basics of the entrepreneurship, and I want to apply those skills in the real world. So I apply for the Sigma. In Sigma, I got solid mentorship, real world challenges, and networking opportunities. The challenges which I faced while doing the Sigma program is that time management, how to manage my research work and the Sigma thing, and talking to the customer is one of the hardest thing I found. And if I go back and re-engineer that, I tell myself 3 months before that, go and talk to the customer as much as possible, because I invested so much time in developing my technology. But in entrepreneurship, customer is the key. My advice for the aspiring entrepreneur would be like try and give your sure shot to Sigma because it's a safe place and it will reevaluate your idea without the fear of the failure. And it is the practical learning beyond the classroom. And the first step you should take for joining in the Sigma, find the real world problem which you are passionate about solving it, and go and talk to the customer before investing your time and energy in developing the technology, and leverage the benefit of Sigma for refining and reevaluate the idea and scale your entrepreneurial journey. At last, I would like to thank you to Professor Tate, Tom, and David for helping me and pushing my limits throughout this journey.